Hello and welcome to Maxwell White. We're excited to help bring your bathroom or plumbing remodel to life. Here's what to expect when you schedule with us. On the day of your appointment, your licensed plumbing comfort advisor will give you a courtesy call, and you will also get a text and email with their photo, so you know exactly who's coming. When they arrive, they'll review your project in detail, ask questions to fully understand your needs, and help create the best design plan. If available, our mobile showroom with product samples may come along to help you visualize your options. Your comfort advisor will provide upfront pricing. Our custom tailor options are completed and presented on site. But for more complex projects, they may be followed up with finalized numbers by phone or email. Once you're ready to move forward, a down payment secures your products and your spot on our schedule. This whole process usually takes 1 to 2 hours. Our goal is to provide a 5-star experience. With Maxwell White, you're guaranteed a smooth, transparent experience from start to finish. Let's get your project started on time, on budget, and stress-free.